Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by restarting the app and device. Do that now. A fresh process often clears freezing. Next, verify your network. Move closer to the router or plug in Ethernet because unstable Wi-Fi causes buffering and hangs. Then clear cache and cookies for the site or app. This removes corrupted temporary files that lock playback. Once done, reopen YouTube and load a short video to confirm smooth playback before moving to deeper fixes. Now dive into settings. Lower playback quality to 480p or 360p to see if freezing stops. This isolates bandwidth or decoding issues. Disable all browser extensions, especially ad blockers and accelerators, because they can intercept video streams and cause hangs. Make sure your browser, YouTube app, and GPU drivers are up to date. Outdated codecs or drivers often create compatibility problems. Once updated, restart and test a few videos at different qualities to confirm which change fixed the freeze. For final steps, try playback on another browser or device to determine whether the problem is local or tied to your account. If local, reset network, flush DNS, release/renew IP, or reboot the router and modem to clear transient routing issues. As a last resort, sign out of YouTube, remove the account, and reinstall the app or reset the browser profile. That eliminates corrupted settings. If problems persist, one troubleshooting tip: test.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.